you see correctly, you believe correctly. When you believe correctly, you will see correctly. And then the feelings will follow. But we come to God with our feelings. And so we don't see what He says. So when you pray, the first thing that Paul says we must pray for is not pray, Lord, fix this problem. Because He is going to fix the problem when you see right. Repeat rather after me. When I see right, I will pray right. This is the thing. You have been going on for years and years around that same circle. Can't get a job, can't get a husband, can't get this. Have you ever prayed, God, what is your will for me? What is your kingdom expression for me? How can I align to what you want for my life? Because He says here, He has an inheritance in you. This inheritance, Lord, that you're talking about. How do I align with that? It's not your inheritance with Him that is settled. But He also has an inheritance in you. My God, did you hear what I said to you now? He has an inheritance in you. And the